Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's session, we are going to discuss some important part of a concrete technology, that is types of cement. Okay, so some types of cement I have listed over here, that is ordinary Portland cement, pozzolana cement, rapid hardening cement, extra rapid hardening cement. These are many more types which we can discuss, among which I am going to elaborately discuss the 5 types which are important from the aspect of curriculum, or you can say the syllabus of engineering students who can take help of this particular parts, I thought, and that's why I'm going to discuss this part. So again, the remaining types, if you thought that it is important to be discussed here, so just let me know from your comments so that we again can discuss those points in coming sessions. Okay guys, so in today's session we will discuss 5 types. Okay, so one by one we are going to learn it. So the very first type I'm going to discuss here is an ordinary Portland cement. Okay, so this is the most common type of cement which is extensively used, because this is the first cement which has been invented, or this is the very first part of the cement, and that's why it is most commonly used. Okay, the second is it has good resistance to cracking. Okay, the property which is important, because of which we are going to use it most frequently, that is it has a good resistance to cracking, dry shrinkage, but less resistance to chemical attacks. So chemical attack resistance is quite low, but it is good resistance having against cracking. Okay, OPC is not suitable for the construction work which is exposed to sulfates, as we have discussed. That is, this is less resistance to the chemical attacks. So that's why wherever there is a use of sulfates, that time we cannot use this kind of OPC cement, that is ordinary Portland cement. And ordinary Portland cement is available in the following types. Okay, that is 33 grade, 43 grade, and 53 grade. Okay, so 33 grade is currently out of market, and which is not available in the market currently, you can say. So only 43 and 53 grade of concrete is currently available in the market. The grade is nothing but it represents the strength of cement at 28 days. Same way, we are going to calculate the strength of concrete at 28 days after keeping it for the hardening purpose. And the same way, we are going to calculate the grade of cement based upon 28 days strength. Okay, so this is the very important chapter. Then the second type of cement is low heat cement. As the name itself indicates, it is having a low heat. Okay, so this type of cement is manufactured by lowering the C3S content and increasing the C2S content. Okay, so it possesses less compressive strength than ordinary Portland cement. That is the second property. It has less lime content than OPC. Okay, it will be having less lime content than the ordinary Portland cement. And the last, that is fourth important point, is this type of cement is mostly used in the construction of retaining wall, and it is strictly not suitable for thin concrete structures. So remember, you cannot use this kind of cement wherever there will be a thin structure. Okay, thin concrete structure. Okay, just remember it. Okay, so second, or sorry, the 2 parts we have already discussed. Now this will be the third type, pozzolana cement. Okay, so pozzolana cement is nothing but it is created, or it is formed due to volcanic eruption. This kind of pozzolana is a material. Pozzolana cement is nothing but it is named based upon the kind of material used for forming it. So pozzolana is a basic material which we are going to form by using the process of volcanic eruption. Whenever there will be a volcanic eruption, the kind of material which is erupted from that particular earth, that we are going to use as a pozzolana. Okay, so it is a siliceous material having 80% of clay in it. Okay, so as we have discussed the process, so the material which will contain siliceous material having 80% clay. Okay, 80% clay, you just have to remember this. Again, the third important point is pozzolana cement is manufactured by using or by mixing 30% of pozzolana to ordinary Portland cement clinkers. Okay, pozzolana cement we are going to manufacture by mixing 30% of pozzolana, okay, in ordinary cement clinkers. This type of cement is used in a construction of dams and weirs. So the use is also listed here. We can use it in dams and weirs. The main use of pozzolana is to replace the proportion of cement in a mix, and this can result in a significant economy if the material is locally available. As you know, that dams is a kind of material, or the dam is a kind of component we are going to construct in a villages or where there will be a river. That time we are going to construct the dams. So in villages we can get easily available the locally available the materials frequently, or you can say the material is locally, if it is locally available, we can use we can use this kind of cement because it consists of siliceous material. Okay, that is clay. Second is, and clay is very easily available in villages. PPC, that is Portland pozzolana cement, is a suitable material for following conditions. Wherever there will be a waterfront structures, marine structures, such as in dams, bridge piers, thick foundation. Okay, so where mass concrete is used, where we have to use a mass concrete, that time we can use this. Again, there is one more use, that is sanitation systems like sewers. That time we can use this kind of Portland pozzolana cement. Fourth topic or fourth type is rapid hardening Portland cement, or you can simply call it as a rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement is a very similar to ordinary Portland cement. First is very clear to you that it is similar to ordinary Portland cement. Why it is similar to ordinary Portland cement, that is listed in this particular remaining points. The early strength is achieved by excessive use of C3S and by lowering the C2S content. As the name itself indicates that this type of cement is used where there is a need for high early strength, such as pavements, busiest, or you can say busiest roadways. Okay, where we have some limitations for the duration of construction, that time we can use this kind of rapid cement or rapid hardening cement. The strength of rapid hardening cement is attained at the age of 3 days is almost same as the same ordinary Portland cement, which is attaining strength at 7 days. So 3 days and 7 days, you can compare the strength of rapid hardening cement. We are attaining it at 3 days. And whereas in Portland cement, we need 7 days to attain the same strength. Okay, so that's why again it will be having one more advantage because of which we should use this kind of cement. Every kind of thing will be having certain limitations and certain advantages. Okay, so because of which we should use those. It requires same water cement ratio as that of ordinary Portland cement. OPC is ordinary Portland cement. This type of cement is not used for massive structure. Remember, For massive concrete structures, we cannot use this kind of cement. So pozzolanic cement, we can use it for the massive concrete structure, as I have listed in the previous part. Okay, so use of this kind of cement is, you can see, it permits early removal of shuttering. So early removal of shuttering is the biggest advantage, because of which you can save the time and money. You can remove your shuttering quite in a lesser time, and that's why it affects directly on the economy of the structure. It minimizes the time and it minimizes the money as well. So that's why it can be used in the road work, bridge construction, where there is time factor is very important. Wherever there is a time factor is the issue, that time you can use this rapid hardening cement. Okay. Now the last type is blast furnace slag cement. The name itself indicates it is been used by using blast furnace slag. The first important property is this is a cheaper kind of cement. Even it is cheaper than the ordinary Portland cement. So the first point is this type of cement is cheaper than ordinary Portland cement. It is manufactured by intergrinding OPC clinker and blast furnace slag. It is manufactured by using OPC clinker and blast furnace slag. The third important part is blast furnace slag develops low heat of hydration and has less early strength. Okay, it will be having less early strength, as well as heat of hydration will be quite less. So these are the three important points which are listed in this kind of cement. So I hope you guys got some good knowledge from today's video. So these were some types of cement we have discussed in this particular video. Stay tuned. We are again going to discuss many more important chapters in my coming sessions. I hope this video was helpful for you. Okay, thank you guys. Stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you guys.